Query letter is essentially it's your sales pitch. I mentioned you can use it for other types of freelancing, but with trying to pitch a book, you would use the query letter is not going to all the time get you a book contract in and of itself, but what you're doing is you're just trying to get people really excited about the project and to want more information about it so they can either make an assignment if you're pitching them for a magazine, or ask for sample chapters or the full manuscript if you're trying to write a book, if you're doing copywriting or trying to pitch a class for like an online website or something. The query letter is where you're getting the excitement kind of going, and then you start to get into more details, and you want them to basically like keep asking you for more information. So the anatomy of a query letter is you start with your pitch, usually one sentence, sometimes two sentences long, and the pitch is basically where you try to hook people on whatever the idea is that you want them to be more interested in. If it's a story, the pitch would include the main character, what his big problem is, and he has to fight against all odds, or she has to fight against all odds to get it to come through. If it's for an article or how-to article, the pitch might talk about some kind of statistic that people don't realize but is very interesting, and then maybe there's a problem, and that's in the pitch, and then you're going to help them solve that problem. So the pitch is like 1 to 2 sentences. Then you usually have 1 to 2 paragraphs where you share more information that goes a little bit more in depth about what you unveiled in the pitch. And that might be more statistics, might be talking about more plot, more of the details of the plot if it's a story that you're talking about. And then usually there's anywhere from 1 sentence to 1 paragraph at the end that says why you're the writer to get this, to pull this off. And if you don't have a lot of writing cred yet, it'll be more towards 1 sentence of why you. And then if you have a lot of credits and awards and such, then it might be closer to 1 paragraph. So the pitch concisely grabs the client's attention, makes them want to learn more, which leads into the more information part, and then you explain why you should write it.